Good morning, Fenlanders. How we doing? I'm Daniel. This is my passenger princess.
Morning.
Yeah, so my Fastrac's not quite ready yet. So we're gonna have to take a John Deere to a Fastrac run. How much of a shame is that?
Huge shame.
Yeah.
Huge.
So where my Fastrac's not ready yet, they've given me this wrinkly old one to cruise around in. Look at the size of it. It's a beauty.
The beast.
Are you gonna have a go at driving?
I will do.
Yeah, cool. So we're off to a tractor run, charity tractor run today. In Fastrac 8330. I wonder if I can get my passenger princess in there as well.
Digital screen and everything. That's digital dash. Oh, seats down there. Look.
You found a seat.
Oh, it's lovely. Got leather seats.
Oh, you'll be stuck to them in a little while. So,
Oh, I have a nap.
you can have a nap in here, you probably will do later. Pecs have been kind enough to lend us this to go and do what we got to do. Charity tractor run, so big thanks to Pecs. This video is dedicated to them. Mel especially. Passenger Princess is going to be feeding me strawberries.
Raspberries.
Keeping me up to date on where we're going and what we're doing. So we'll do some more filming when we get there, but yeah, this is what we're up to on today's video. Charity tractor run. We're going to see if we can raise a load of money. Dad, Grumpy Grandad said he's never been in something so comfortable.
Yeah, it is comfy.
It's a bit special, isn't it? I've got the worst passenger princess ever going. More like a cat than a passenger princess, isn't it?
Rude.
Rude.
I'll be either or.
Yeah. So we just threaded this through Wharton. It's a bit snug, isn't it?
Yeah, a bit hairy through there.
Might just about have enough horsepower to do a tractor run today. At least if 12 people break down, I can tow every one of them all chained together.
Yeah. Do some tractor pulling.
Yeah. So you'd run somebody over in this and not even know you've done it, would you? Oh, maybe you would. Cyclists, badgers.
Oh, we're off again.
It's not really a town tractor, is it?
No, not at all.
No.
Clammy hands, that is.
I could just go really and not. They don't really have any choice.
They'd soon stop, wouldn't they?
Yeah. I am going, whether you like it or not. So we picked the tractor up yesterday from Dereham, Pecs at Dereham, and now we're back over here. So I wish I'd kind of got it this morning and saved myself 100 quid in fuel, I reckon. Right, you're in charge of where we're going.
Oh.
That's bad news.
There's a roundabout coming up. The next roundabout straight over.
Right.
Don't go straight over the roundabout.
No, don't go straight over the roundabout.
Second exit.
We'll be Facebook famous if we done that.
Yeah.
Hey, somebody did say yesterday on Facebook, didn't they? I think it was Ian, about going through the McDonald's drive-through.
Oh yeah.
And I said I just made my own way in there.
Yeah. What was it he said? You'll always fit the second time.
You'll always fit the second time, yeah. You know what we should have written on the bonnet?
What?
Should have written also identifies as a 4220. And I can pretend like I've got my tractor. Nearly there.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's just going to be a whole field of Fastrac, so.
Well, we've got to do a left at the next. They're crossroads, aren't they?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think they, yeah. I think it's crossroads.
Cool, this is a scenic route, isn't it?
Yeah. Right round the houses.
Round the houses. I've got to go for a wee again now.
We are 2 miles away.
Yay, nearly there.
2 miles. Woo-hoo.
So turn it off?
No, it just says our destination's on our right in a mile. I've shut it down now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, keep going.
Oh, I'm going to keep going, yeah. Like Gogglebox, isn't it, for farmers? Watching us doing.
Yeah, don't miss it. Don't fancy your chances of turning around anywhere.
Sorry about your driveway.
I don't think you'd fit in a driveway.
No, not really. What are you trying to say?
You're a bit wide.
Yeah.
What's this? Road? Oh, closed.
Tractor run, there we go.
Yay. Oh, it's a bad one, Daniel. You've committed, I'm just going. Oh, he's going in there anyway.
They're going in there,
There you go. Oh, made it all that way.
All that way.
Nearly died in the gateway.
Yeah, nearly had an accident as we pulled in. Right, now we're off the road. I can manhandle my pass you over. See how fast we can go down a private track.
Whee! Grass is nice.
Well mowed, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, taxi service.
Oh, we'll have to
Oh, we've got to pay.
open the door. Open the door. Do you want to knock her out?
You alright?
Hi.
£10, please.
Yeah, no worries.
Do you mind being on camera?
No, that's fine.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
no worries.
nice lady's taking our money.
There you go, there's 20 quid.
Oh, thank
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No worries.
Oh, I've only got. Oh, I'm not left-handed. Hang on a minute. Oh my god.
How you getting on?
Because I'm trying to hold the camera and close the door. And I've got no strength in my left hand.
You never go full. You just went in.
Div. Oh, those got a lovely view of me laughing and my chins.
Your 2 chins.
Oh, only 2, thank you.
Yeah.
The third one must be tucked in.
Is it a tractor run or is it a car run?
There's lots of
Are
cars.
we going to the right place?
Oh.
You know what I need now, don't you?
You're round here somewhere. What do you need?
I need some.
Oh, yeah, like an air horn.
I'm guessing we're going here.
Ooh.
Hey, look at everyone. The
Let's
Fenlanders
get
have
this.
arrived.
Very nice.
Shorts and wellies, that's the way. Where have I got to go?
In there, look. Very helpful pointy thumb there. Oh, at Fords.
Where am I parking?
I don't know.
I don't know
I
either.
don't know. We've got all of these tractors. Very busy. Loads of people here.
We all know that famous face down there, don't we?
Yeah.
I'm going to get me Fastrac day, you know?
Oh. Watch your weight block on the front.
We're in.
No pressure.
See what sort of tractors we've got here. Nice 135. Martin will be well impressed with that. That's nice. Nice. Got aircon. Oh, what, your Union Jack stickers, Mark? I got some flags to put on somewhere.
You could add that one.
Yeah, just we swap bonnets. Let's go and have a look at the steam engine going. What we got going on here then? You all know Lord Buck, don't you? Let's go and have a quick look at all the other tractors and stuff we've got here. Nice load of tractors, isn't there? That's smart, isn't it? That's David, the bloke we were talking to start with. Tractors. Tractors. You excited for the tractors?
Yeah.
I nearly bought one of these. I wish I'd done it now because it'd come off like an airport.
Right.
It's only done 2,000 hours. I'm kicking myself to this day for not buying it. It was mint.
Hello! I have been sent to film all the tractors heading off on the tractor run. They are slowly coming. I'm hoping I get to the gateway before they all turn up. It's a bit of a trek and I've got a feeling the battery's going to run out, so I think I'm going to have to change that. Not that I know how to change the battery. I don't know which battery. It's got battery power in it. I don't know which one hasn't. I've been given minimal instructions. Try again. Couldn't work out the batteries. They are now coming. The first one has gone up there. And now they are all coming. Should be. Here we go. I'll stand here. Position myself. spots me as he comes through this hedgeway. It doesn't leave me stood here. Oh, here come the Fords. On the most uneven bit of ground I could find. Made me jump. So many. Look how cool is that? I think Daniel might be coming up now to pick me up, hopefully. Hello. Yeah, Mark just phoned me. Apparently Daniel's looking for me because I'm hid behind a hedge. He'll find me, surely. Come on, Daniel, where are you? He'll be like, I've missed the tractor run because I was looking for you. I might have to poke my head around the hedge and just see. Not coming yet. That's the trouble when I've got Daniel's phone. He doesn't know where I am because he can't ring me. Let's see, is there any more? Hey! Here he comes. Here he comes to get me. I'll be like, where you been? Waiting for you. Here we go. Right, I'm jumping in, guys.
Oh no, where on earth are you gone?
I got a well good shot there. Stood as they were coming all through the hedge.
Yeah, okay, no worries. I thought you'd gone the other way like a div. Good morning, Fenlanders. How we doing? I'm Daniel. Welcome to Fenland Farming Adventures. Just got another load of potatoes going. Let's try that again before I rudely ran out of battery. So the big pig's got to go back this morning. Just having a cup of tea. Check the oil and water on it. Oh, everyone should have a Fastrac. It is unbelievable. Oh. Grumps has got his tune banging out and the aircon flat out. What the hell? Yeah, one thing I love about this thing, the ride is sublime. It's absolutely epic. I don't know why anyone would have anything else. It's so amazing. 45 mile an hour everywhere. I haven't found a road yet that's slowed it up yet. So it's unbelievable. Unless you've driven one, you don't know. Tractor ride £5. Come down and have a go. Soon pay for itself. One thing I don't like about this tractor is filling it up with fuel. Probably used a couple of 100 litres of fuel just doing 2 tractor runs this weekend. So my tractor run on Saturday with Mrs. Farmer was tenner to get in per tractor, but I gave him 20 quid. And I think the tractor run yesterday that Grumpster went on was 20 quid per tractor anyway. So he gave him some money as well, so it all goes towards good causes. I'm not sure, it was a cancer research that Grumpster went for yesterday, and it was a Nelson fund that we done ours for on Saturday. So hopefully we raise lots of money, fingers crossed. Thanks to Mark for inviting me. He also bought some Only Farmers gear off me, and his little kids had 2 little t-shirts made. So they had some Fenlander Farming Adventures established 2020 or 21 or whenever it was, and done them in yellow to match his Fastrac. So yeah, cheers for inviting us over, Mark. It was good. Barbecue was good. Rodeo bull we didn't quite get Mrs. Farmer on, which is a shame because that would have made good footage, but we done our bit, raised some money. Then yesterday we went out on the boat all day. Good friends, good company, nice chilled out day. I am feeling still a little bit spaced out from it, I'm not gonna lie. Driving the boat home last night, kind of like Popeye without his spinach. Yeah, somebody was saying that had this on demo just before we went and picked it up. Somebody was saying it is a bit clumsy for the job that they were trying to do with it. So I guess they tried to put it on a sumo, which is not very wide, and where they'd done that, like, they couldn't turn around very well. So it's a bit, I mean, it's a massive tractor, isn't it? It's a massive tractor. So yeah, they found it a bit clumsy for that job, but I'd imagine, like, with some 900 tyres on the back and a 6-metre drill or something on the back of it, and it was going to stay on it all season, it would be absolutely mega. Something where you haven't got to turn back on yourself all day. would be mega. So you can't fault it for being too big. I mean, it's a 350 horsepower tractor, so it is going to be big, isn't it? Yeah, that's the only downside to it. It's just so big. It's just so big. For you want a 100-acre field and something at least 6 meters wide. I was saying, you know, a 6-meter drill on our land, it would just toy with it. You'd want a 12-meter drill on the back of this for my soil, at least, with like 8 ton of seed in it. You know, you'd really want something to make it work. Vertostat carrier, that doesn't even make my John Deere's work. So 6.5 meter carrier is just a child's toy for this thing. You would kind of want a 12-meter carrier for me on my soil for this thing to make it work properly. It's just like I said, when it comes to comfort, it's just epic. It's just so comfortable. It's just unbelievably comfortable. I've never been in a tractor that's driven so well. So we'll get it out, filled up with fuel, and get it taken home, which I'm disappointed about. I think Grump still wants one as well, so we'll get it done.